Hello everybody and to all my kababayan watching. May paraan para hindi mo na kailangang maghintay ng matagal at ma-process agad ang visa o PR mo. Pero hindi lahat alam itong option na to. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step kung paano gawin ito. Sigurado akong gusto mong tapusin ang video na ito hanggang dulo. Ako si Mark Benito, isang registered Canadian immigration consultant. Every week, gagabayan ko kayo sa proseso para mapabilis ang applications nyo. Dito sa channel, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang iba't ibang tips kung paano mag-apply at higit sa lahat, kung paano ma-approve ang applications nyo for various immigration topics. At abangan nyo hanggang dulo dahil sasabihin ko rin kung paano kayo pwedeng manalo ng free open work permit, ETA, or Visitor Renewal application. So what exactly is flagpoling? Ano nga ba ang flagpoling? It's a simple process where you leave Canada briefly and then re-enter, usually at a land border crossing. The goal is to have your immigration status, such as a work permit or PR, processed right away, often within the same day. This technique is commonly used by those already in Canada who want to avoid long processing times through Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC.
Flagpoling is typically done by temporary residents, those on visitor visas, work permits, or study permits, who need a new visa or permit quickly. It's also popular among permanent residency applicants ready to finalize their PR status at the border. But remember, not everyone qualifies. It's essential to check your eligibility and prepare the necessary documents ahead of time.
Ano ang mga kailangan mo bago pumunta sa border? Before heading to the border, here's a checklist of what you need. Make sure to have all your documents in order to avoid delays or complications. Passport, current permit, work, study, or visitor. New permit application or approval letter. Proof of status. Acceptance letter, LMIA, job offer, etc. Proof of funds, if applicable. Vehicle or travel arrangements.
If you're driving to the border, ensure your vehicle is ready, and don't forget to check if the border point is processing flagpoling requests. Some might be too busy on weekends or holidays. Call ahead or visit the official Canadian Border Services website to check the hours and availability of immigration services.
When you reach the border, you'll first approach the U.S. side. Don't worry, you don't need to officially enter the U.S., just let the U.S. border officer know that you're flagpoling and they'll usually understand what that means. They'll turn you around and then it's time to re-enter Canada.
Once you re-enter Canada, you'll inform the Canadian Border Services officer that you're flagpoling to update your immigration status.
You'll be directed inside to speak with a Border Services officer. They'll review your documents, confirm your eligibility, and process your application for a new permit or finalize your PR. If everything is in order, you'll walk away with your updated status the same day.
Narito ang ilang sikreto para mas mapadali ang iyong application. Here are a few tips to make sure your flagpoling goes smoothly. Double-check your documents. Missing documents can delay or even prevent the process. Avoid busy times. Go during weekdays or non-holidays to avoid long waits. Know your eligibility. Ensure you're eligible before making the trip.
It's always a good idea to consult an immigration expert if you're unsure about any part of the process.
After flagpoling, make sure to safely store your new permit or PR card. If your immigration status has changed, you may also need to update your records with your employer or school. Follow up with IRCC if any additional steps are needed, especially for permanent residents.
Now, as promised, here's how you can win a free open work permit application, an ETA or a visitor renewal application, done by my team at Mark Benito Immigration. The first 100 subscribers are eligible for this contest, and the draw will take place live on Facebook and YouTube. The winner will have 48 hours to contact us. Otherwise, we'll draw again. All you have to do is comment below and share your flagpoling experience or why you want to flagpole. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and we'll randomly select a winner. Good luck. Flagpoling can be a great way to quickly update your visa or finalize your PR, but make sure you're fully prepared. Kung may mga katanungan kayo o kailangan ng gabay, huwag magatubiling makipag-ugnayan sa amin dito sa Mark Benito Immigration. And remember that when you call Mark Benito Immigration, we make your experience immigrate.